name is Zhang. People usually call me Cindy. I'm from China originally and I came to the States 7 years ago. During my undergrad study, there's a assistant professor that she's working with a 3D printing lab in our school's library, and she actually introduced me to the 3D printing, but I didn't actually have a real chance to work with it until I met CEWIT. Without CEWIT, I would never actually make the time and opportunity to get in touch with all the 3D printers and 3D modeling softwares. I had fun with all the colleagues I work with.